Right now, only 4% of all the adults who are diagnosed with cancer ever get to enroll in a clinic.
Personally, I will hold myself somewhat responsible and accountable for my child's actions when he grows to be an adult or when she grows to be an adult.
A law that will reduce the number of American children who pick up a cigarette and become adult smokers. And I obviously have to thank my wife, Michelle Obama, who has spent much of her adult life focused on service. All of us, in one way or another, in our communities can be supportive of our children, helpful in making sure that they've got somebody, an adult, that they can look up to.
They will love the time spent with an adult.
Tim Prestero and his colleagues at Design That Matters helped create revolutionary products for developing countries, including a neonatal incubator made of spare car parts and a projector for nighttime adult literacy classes in Africa.
It's where his grandparents raised him after his mother died of tuberculosis, where he tended to cattle as a child, and where, as an adult, he raised a family of his own. As an adult, she's built a career the Hardy Boys could only dream of.
Nearly everything I am and have done in my adult life is due to the great good fortune of marrying